Cats are wonderful companions, and as they grow older, it's important for their owners to understand how to properly care for them at each stage of life. One of the most useful things a cat owner can do is calculate their cat's age in human years. This helps provide insight into the life stage your cat is going through and allows you to make better decisions about their care and health. While calculating a cat's age isn't always straightforward, there are general rules and guidelines that can help. The key to understanding your cat's age is recognizing that cats age much faster in their early years than humans do. In the first 2 years of a cat's life, their aging process accelerates dramatically compared to the slower pace that happens in the years that follow. When your cat is just a kitten, its growth rate is rapid. In the first few months, they're developing at a pace that makes them almost unrecognizable compared to their younger selves. A 1-year-old cat, for example, is already the equivalent of a 15-year-old human in terms of physical and emotional development. By their second birthday, a cat has reached approximately the age of 24 in human years, marking the end of their teenage years. By this time, a cat is considered to be fully mature, physically and emotionally. It's in these early stages of a cat's life that their health, diet, and living environment play a crucial role in setting the stage for the rest of their lives. Once your cat turns 2, they're already entering adulthood, and from this point on, the aging process slows down significantly. For every additional year after their second birthday, the equivalent human years are roughly 4 for each subsequent year. For example, a 3-year-old cat is comparable to a 28-year-old human, while a 5-year-old cat would be around 36 in human years. The aging process is more gradual after the initial rapid growth in the first 2 years, and as cats reach middle age, you may notice slight changes in their behavior, such as an increase in resting or a decrease in their overall energy levels. However, they are still considered young adults at this stage and are likely to be at their peak physically and mentally. As cats continue to age, they enter their senior years, typically around the age of 7 or 8. This is when many cats begin to show subtle signs of aging. They may slow down, sleep more, and their coats might lose some of their shine. While they're still capable of playing and engaging in activities, it may become less frequent. It's during these years that it's important for cat owners to be more vigilant about their cat's health. Regular veterinary checkups become even more essential as your cat's body starts to experience the normal wear and tear of aging. Cats in their senior years may also begin to develop certain health conditions such as arthritis, kidney disease, or dental issues, so keeping track of these changes is crucial for ensuring they remain comfortable. The typical lifespan of a cat can vary significantly based on breed, genetics, diet, and overall care. Indoor cats generally tend to live longer than outdoor cats due to fewer risks such as accidents, predators, or infectious diseases. A well-cared-for cat, especially those in good health, may live well into their teens, and some cats even make it into their 20s. In fact, cats that reach the age of 15 or older are often considered to be in their advanced senior years, and they may show signs of aging such as graying fur, less agility, and a reduced interest in play. In these later stages of life, their needs shift even more. Diet adjustments, increased comfort, and special attention to their health are necessary to ensure they remain as healthy as possible during their twilight years. For cats that are older than 15, they may be at an age equivalent to someone in their 70s or 80s in human terms. Many cats in this age range will require more frequent vet visits to monitor their health and manage any age-related conditions that arise. It's also important to note that older cats are often more sensitive to environmental changes and may need extra attention in their care routine. A cat's comfort becomes even more of a priority, as aging often brings about changes in appetite, mobility, and behavior. Senior cats tend to become less active and may sleep much more, sometimes up to 18 hours a day, which is perfectly normal. While cats of any age may still be capable of living happy and fulfilling lives. Senior cats especially benefit from maintaining a consistent routine that caters to their changing needs. Knowing how to calculate your cat's age in human years can help you better understand the adjustments you might need to make in their care. If you have a young adult cat, your main concern might be to maintain their health and ensure they get the right amount of stimulation, exercise, and nutrition. As they age, it's equally important to pay attention to signs of aging, including changes in behavior, eating habits, and activity levels. It can also be helpful to monitor their weight, as overweight cats may experience more stress on their joints and internal organs. Keeping track of these signs as they transition from young adulthood to their senior years is crucial for providing them with the best care possible. As your cat continues to grow older, it's important to be proactive about their health. Providing a comfortable environment that caters to their physical and emotional needs will help them age gracefully. It's essential to maintain an open line of communication with your veterinarian and discuss any concerns you may have about your cat's health, especially as they reach their senior years. Cats may not always show when they're in pain or discomfort, so regular checkups are critical to detecting any underlying conditions early. Aging doesn't just impact physical health but also emotional well-being. Cats, like humans, can experience cognitive decline, which might show in signs such as confusion, difficulty finding their litter box, or becoming less responsive to familiar people and environments. Fortunately, many older cats can continue to live comfortable, fulfilling lives with the right care, attention, and love. Understanding your cat's age and providing the right care at each stage of their life is essential for ensuring they live a long, happy, and healthy life. As you age alongside your feline companion, it's important to cherish every moment and be aware of the changes that come with time. From the playful, curious kitten to the dignified older cat, each stage of their life offers a unique set of joys and challenges. By staying informed about their aging process and providing them with the proper care, you're helping ensure that your cat enjoys a long, contented life by your side.